Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing a little nail art tutorial, nails for Camo Fashionistas. This time I'm showing Camo design, like this. It looks so detailed and looks hard, but actually it's not that hard to do. You just need a tiny brush. I want to show you how I make this camo, and also a couple other designs as well. Let's start with light taupe base color. Then use little darker shades of taupe for camo. Paint some random shapes at random spots. You don't need to draw any particular object, but they could be any random shapes. Use darker green color to paint more on right next to the ones you already painted, and you need to put in the light between each color. Like we are filling the base color, but we still want to have some base color left at the end, so don't cover whole base color. I added the darkest green color. It looks like the black in the video, but actually it was dark green. Ta-da! Here's camo design. Now I'm gonna hand paint the numbers and letters, like his t-shirt. Literally, there's no easy way for doing this handwriting. You just need to be patient and draw little by little. It's just about practice. You will get better. For heather gray texture, I tap sheer black color unevenly on purpose. So these are inspired by Ken's outfit, but they are totally cool for nail designs. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have a fantastic Barbie day. Bye!